In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clock in using Homebase. Let's dive right in and get you comfortable with this essential task. First things first, once you've logged into your Homebase account, you'll need to locate the time clock icon. This is typically found in the upper right-hand corner of your dashboard. Spotting it should be easy, as it's strategically placed for quick access. Once you see the time clock icon, it's time to open up the interface. All you have to do is click on the icon. At this point, you'll be given a choice. Depending on how your setup is configured, you can select either Launch Personal or Launch Shared. This choice depends on whether you're using a personal device or a shared one at work. After making your selection, proceed by clicking on Go to Time Clock. This action will take you to the clocking screen, where you can clock in or out as required. Now, let's talk about the clocking in process. You should see a big, bold Clock In button once you're on the time clock interface. Click this button to officially start tracking your working time. Remember, this action marks the beginning of your work shift, so it's crucial to ensure you do it promptly at the start of each shift. In certain scenarios, especially for security and accuracy, Homebase may require you to verify your identity by entering a unique PIN. This step is important because it helps prevent buddy punching, where someone might clock in for another employee. So, if prompted, carefully enter your unique PIN to finalize the clock-in process. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you'll be able to clock in using Homebase effortlessly. Each of these actions is designed to be simple, ensuring that you can focus on your workday without any hassle. Remember, staying consistent with clocking in and out keeps your working hours accurate, helping you and your employer maintain a clear record. This practice isn't just about starting and ending your work shift, it's also about building a routine and ensuring accountability. By using Homebase's time clock effectively, you contribute to a smoother workflow and help maintain transparency in time tracking. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any more questions, feel free to explore more detailed resources or reach out for personalized support. Happy clocking in!